And turning now to a family grasping for fresh air through the midst of black mold. After reaching out several times to their apartment complex for some kind of help and getting no response, they say they see no light at the end of the tunnel. News 4's Kaylee Olivas is in northwest Oklahoma City tonight with more.
Here at Forest Creek Apartments in northwest Oklahoma City, one family is sitting on a bed of black mold. After months of not receiving the help they need, they've now turned to News 4 for help.
The closet that it's in is completely damaged. The wood is damaged. It's mold inside of the closet. It's mold on the outside of the walls. It's mold on the floorboards inside of my bedroom.
That black mold having lived rent-free for almost 3 months in her apartment, now causing health issues.
So I had to take a nasal spray every day to combat the runny nose, the stuffy nose, and all that so that I don't have any issues. I'm afraid of what it's doing long-term to my children.
She says she doesn't have the money to move, so she reached out to her leasing office in hopes of a solution. Instead, she was told maintenance couldn't do anything as they're not, quote, mold specialists, forcing her to call for backup.
So I hired somebody to come out. He took air quality, he took a sample of the mold. I got the results back. It's definitely mold. It cost me a little bit over $200.
Now having sent 3 letters to her apartment complex, calling the Oklahoma City Housing Authority and reporting it to Section 8 housing, she doesn't know where else to go.
Your option is you can sue, but your best option is just to get out of there and do something else.
Buswell adds that if she or anyone in a similar situation takes a case like this to court, it could take a while before any resolution is seen. In northwest Oklahoma City, Kaylee Olivas, Oklahoma's News 4.
Thank you. Now, we tried reaching out to the Forest Creek apartment complex as well, but they were unavailable for comment. We've reached out to the Oklahoma City Housing Authority, and we're told to expect a statement on this tomorrow.